let's talk about resilience. Resilience in divorce. How do people think about that, approach that, and become that?
I think it's in stages. In the beginning, bouncing back, really, you're not even there yet. So I think one of the first things I would say is that to be resilient, you do have to go through those stages of grief. And going through all of those stages are very important in that process of resiliency, because if you just try to skip to the end, you're going to be going backwards, as you both know. And so it's really embracing that pain that you do have to go through, that healing process, which is going to lead you on that path to resiliency, which is bouncing back and creating new relationships with yourself and new patterns and rebuilding what pieces of you were broken. And I wrote a blog on, when something is broken, you can't put it back together exactly how it was, and just like our hearts. And I think that's a good thing, though, because we learn and we grow from that. We grow from all of our experiences, and divorce being a really challenging one that you can grow and you can learn from, which is going to move you into that next chapter and show your resiliency.